Yes, like for my very first time to use this net, like for me, I've been doing this with the elastic only, but trust me, there are a lot of challenges that I made when it comes to this that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So let's first do this and we continue with our video.
Morris, the crochet master.
Alright, always the cornrows are supposed to go behind, like the way you're seeing it, and then I'm trying to apply this net. Though when you apply the net, it is supposed to be at least it's looking with the skin. Yes, yeah, you should always have to know that. And then we try to apply our glue. This is how it is. Just apply it slowly by slowly, just on the edges, and then you can use the dryer to make it dry. So I make sure that it is firm. Yes, it is my first time to use this, and trust me, I liked it the way it is because it helps. It protects the skin, and then another thing is the weave cannot move at all. So when we're done with that, you can use also this spray to make sure that is we are confirming it to be that hard, but you can still see here there's some still the white thing like for the other net inside. So I will make sure that I'll also look for the way we can remove it. So after all that, we already supposed to remove the baby hair when we're done, when we do that. But what I've not showed you, sorry, is that this one, they always show you like passing the thread on the sides, and yes, on the side, but not on the lines. No, just pass it on the side so that your wig can be your closure can be that firm. So this was my it was my dangerous moment that I had to be very very careful because the gum the glue was already firm, so I was supposed to remove it slowly by slowly with my razor. So it was somehow very very dangerous because any time I would cut her skin. So after that, I'm going to apply my mousse. After applying my mousse, because after getting all that baby hair, we need to apply the mousse so that we can create our baby hair. So just get the comb cutter, and then you cut them as you're looking for your baby hair. Then there you can get your brush. If you don't have it, me, I'm using this. Yes, it's the eyebrow brush. So after, you make sure that you do your baby hair that way. So before you do that, after doing all that, then you come in you start in the middle, you saw going down. So we're trying to make our closure to make it firm. So after applying all that, if after doing it this way, you can if you want, you can cut off the net if you want, and if you don't want, you can still leave it, and then you come and we start sewing. What I realized about here is that these are human waves, so we just have to make sure that you don't cut someone's wave. You understand? Yes, because it is hard, like it hurts when someone brings a wave for you, and then after someone is going to unplait and you find that in two pieces. So you should always try to make sure at least you keep on rolling it up until the end, when you remain with when you get that exact, like when you do it exactly without cutting anything. So these those are the things that I try to focus on, so that I don't spoil my client's wave by cutting it. So I would always make sure that I wrap it the way it's supposed to be, not to cut it. Yes, because I know how it hurts. So after we continue with our sewing, and we're going to do this up to when we see that our wave is done. Yes, for me I have this straight needle, but some other people they have those ones that are curvy, but for me I'm just used with this. I don't know, I've never used that one that is curvy, the needle. I always use this straight one, so it works for me. And big shout out to everyone who is watching me wherever you are. You know, you've been seeing me doing the dreads, the braids, the crochet, and you haven't seen this other side of doing these waves. And this is something that I can do, just slowly by slowly, and we manage to achieve this look. And trust me, our closure is firm enough, and we can even do a style from it. Yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and this is what I got for you today. And please remember that I love you so much, and thank you for subscribing wherever you are. And there's one thing I need to do, yes, and I want to do it so that we can learn more about these these other hairstyles that I realized that we have to redo them, like mostly like the temporary dreadlocks, so we have to do that. So please stick on and we get to learn everything. Bye bye, see you in my next video.